Hi, my name is Carson and I'm going to teach you how to make ramen noodles in the microwave. Did you know that ramen noodles are very delicious? Have you ever wondered how to make them in the microwave? If so, then today is your lucky day, because that's exactly what I'm going to teach you. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be eating freshly microwaved ramen in no time. I'll also tell you what to do if your food is too hot. First of all, you're going to have a few materials to cook with. You will need a bowl, ramen noodles, 1 cup measuring tool, and a 1/4 cup measuring tool, water, and a microwave. Once you have all the materials, you will want to crush up the ramen noodles and put them into the bowl. Make sure you pull out the powder packet. After that, you will want to add 1 1/4 cup of water to your ramen noodles. After that, you will want to place your ramen noodles into the microwave for 3 minutes. Now you just wait for the timer. The next step is to take your ramen noodles out of the microwave. Be careful because they'll be extremely hot. When you get the noodles, you want to add the powder packet into the ramen noodles. Now you're going to want to stir it up. If your food is too hot, you can either put it in the fridge or put ice cubes into it. I personally put ice cubes into it because it takes less time. After that, you're going to want to eat your ramen noodles with a spoon or fork. While you're eating your ramen noodles, you can have the choice of eating them or eating them while doing something, like watching TV. After that, you will want to place your bowl into the sink and wait for someone else to clean it. Remember that ramen noodles are very good. Just in case you're ever hungry, just grab some noodles and cook away. Remember, they are also very easy to cook. If you ever forget how to make ramen, just watch my video again and you'll remember.